Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. Today we're going to do a quick video here. We're going to take a look at a filter from K&F Concepts. Now this is a macro filter for the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. The macro focus distance of this lens is 20 to 40 millimeters. So it's a very shallow depth for focus. But yet and still, for a lot of the product photography and video that I do, I think this is going to be great as long as I'm using this device right here. So let me show you guys everything that comes in the box. All right, guys, one of the first things you're going to find in the box is going to be this nice little lens cleaning cloth. That is really nice to have, especially if you're going to be using any of these little small filters. This will really come in handy. You also get a screen protector that you can apply to the screen of your DJI Osmo Pocket 3. That's really nice. It comes with a little starter manual, but most people are here to see the actual filter. Now the filter does come in this really nice little box here. We will also figure out if we'll be able to actually store this inside of the case. But here is the filter. See if I can get this camera to focus on it. So there's a little branding there. You guys can see what this looks like. Now this does have the magnets on the back for connecting. Nice little ridges right here. That's going to make it easy for you to take this on and off. All right, so let's go ahead and grab our pocket. And let's turn this guy on. All right, so of course, you know, you will have to, let's rotate this around so you guys can see. You will have to mount this directly onto the lens, and you do need to remove this before shutting down the gimbal. All right, so I don't know how well you guys can see that, but it's a very narrow depth of field. Let's go ahead and rotate that back in the opposite direction. All right, so you guys should be able to see what I'm looking at here. So let's take something that we know is very, very small and difficult to read, like the numbers here on this lens. And we're going to get in there really close, and I'm going to record some video. So let me go ahead and just hit record here so you guys will be able to see. All right, so I'm recording, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how close we can get with this lens. And like I said, this has a focus distance of about 22 to 40 millimeters, which is very close. But if you're doing product photography, product video, anything like that, I think this is going to be a great asset, especially if you're using, you know, a camera like this DJI Pocket 3. So this is going to be a great combination for you. You guys should be able to see that here on the screen. But like I said, I'll play this video for you to be able to see it up close. All right, let's try one more thing. Here's my little guy here. You guys can see. We're going to see how close we can get in on his face. Let's go ahead and hit record. Outstanding. Yeah, this is a very, very nice lens, guys. All right, so let's go ahead and finish that up. All right, so when you're done recording, like I said before, the first thing you want to do is remove the lens off of your camera, like so. The magnets are very strong. Take those off, and now at that point, we can go ahead and turn this guy off, and the gimbal will rotate back into its normal position, and it's going to be ready for you to store it. So the thing that I wanted to test as well was to see if this will fit inside of the case that comes with it. So if we can get that in there. All right, so it does go in, but the question is, will I be able to put this in? Yep, there you go. So it will also fit inside of the hard case for your Pocket 3. That's really nice. So that means you'll always have that lens available to you whenever you need it. If you want to be able to use it, you can just have it right here, stored away, ready to go, connecting with the magnets. So yeah, that's really nice. All right, guys, it's been Rome with Rome Knows Tech, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Hopefully this video has been helpful to someone who's looking for a macro lens for their Pocket 3. If that's you, then that means I've done my job. All right, guys, I will catch you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.